Hello, welcome to Magical Lemons. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chain stitch. So I have already made my slip knot and I have already put it on my hook. So now I'm just going to get started. So to begin, I'm going to make sure my hook is facing up and that when I yarn over, I'm going behind my hook, so away from myself, and putting it on top. So I'm going to hold my slip knot with my pointer finger to kind of keep it from moving. And so we're just going to take the yarn and put it over the top of our hook. And then I'm going to grab the short yarn and my long yarn and hold them together. I'm holding the short one between my thumb and my 3 fingers, and my long piece of yarn, which is connected to my skein or ball of yarn, I'm holding between my pointer and my middle finger. So I have those held, and then we'll turn my hook toward myself, and I'm going to pull this loop through this loop, and then I'm going to turn my hook up as I pull it through. So we're going to do that again. So we're going to yarn over, grab, pull toward the end of the hook, turn, and pull through. So typically your hook only has space for one loop of yarn to catch. So once your yarn that you're working with has caught, go ahead and turn your hook so that you can slide it through that other loop. So we're just going to keep going. Again, if you want your chains tighter or looser, you can control that by the space between your working project and your hook. So this loop is what controls your tension. So I'm going to make sure that my tension is more loose. You want your tension more loose for a chain, so we're just going to make sure that we're doing that. So again, you're going to yarn over from behind to the front, making sure that your hook is facing up. You're going to let it catch, turn your hook toward you and pull through, and turning your hook back up. Yarn over, turn, pull up. We're just going to keep doing this for a little bit so you can see . Now, this is how I hold my yarn to keep my tension, to keep this space the same for all of my stitches. However, how you hold your yarn is going to be different, perhaps. Right now, I would say just don't even worry about that if you're just starting out, because, you know, there's no right way or wrong way to hold your yarn. You just want to make sure that you keep the tension, and the tension is between your hook and where you've created this tightness between the rest of your yarn and your hook. And so you want to keep that so it's the same. But also how big your stitches are going to be is going to be the space between your hook and the rest of your work. So definitely keep that in mind. In a chain you can make as long as you want. This is the first step after your slip knot to be able to make any kind of project. You have to have a chain. Now sometimes your chains are 5, sometimes they're 27. There's no really much rhyme or reason to how long your chain's going to be. So I'm going to show you again one more time. So my hook is facing up. I have my pointer finger on my right hand. I do crochet right-handed on my working yarn. This is no longer my slip knot because my slip knot's down here. So this is now just my working yarn, my starting yarn. So I'm going to yarn over, catch it, turn, pull through. And So you just want to make sure that you keep good tension, because this is going to be the basis, this is going to be the foundation for whatever you're making. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment and share, and I will see y'all next time. Have a great day.